Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we are taking a look at the Talon, a vacuum-mounted single bike rack from SeaSucker. The SeaSucker Talon arrives in the box as pictured here with the following contents inside. Included is an instruction manual, the rear wheel cradle, which arrives with a cover over the suction cup to help preserve it when not in use, the fork mount, a bag of spare parts, tools, and mounting hardware for the fork mount, the quick release skewer, and last but not least, we have the front mount, which the fork mount and skewer attach to once everything is assembled. To assemble the Talon, the front mount and skewer need to be attached to the front mount. To do this, you will need the bag of hardware, the supplied Allen wrench, the open-ended wrench, and the fork mount. Align the fork mount with the holes, and insert the 2 screws from the top, and add a washer and nut to each screw underneath, and use the supplied tools to tighten the hardware. Slide the skewer through the fork mount. The end with the lever can be rotated to either side depending on whether you're mounting the Talon on the driver's side or the passenger side of your vehicle. To install the Talon onto your vehicle, choose where you want to place the fork mount first. With the covers removed from the suction cups, place it onto your vehicle. Begin pumping up the suction of the system with the vacuum pump to allow it to get a firm grip on the surface. You'll know when you have built sufficient pressure when you can no longer see an orange marking on the pump. Repeat this process for the remaining suction cups on the fork mount and the rear wheel cradle as well. Placement of the Talon varies depending on your vehicle. This bike rack is very versatile and may also be able to be installed on the trunk or hatch area depending on your vehicle's design. With the Talon fully installed, you're ready to load your bike. Start by first getting the forks of the bike aligned in the quick release skewer. Then lift the rear wheel into the cradle. Close the lever to secure the forks of the bike to the rack. You may need to adjust the tension of this lever to ensure the skewer has a good grip on the forks of your bike. The last step before you are ready to hit the road is to secure the rear wheel with the wheel strap. Route it through the spokes of your bike away from you first, then pull the strap back towards you to allow the Velcro to keep it in place. When you're all done with your biking adventures and are ready to remove the Talon, undo the wheel strap and release the lever to first remove your bike. The tabs located on each side of the suction cup, when pressed simultaneously, release the vacuum, allowing you to remove the bike rack quickly and easily. Store the Talon away until your next use. It's good practice to reinstall the covers on the suction cups to help preserve the bike rack for many years of enjoyment. This concludes our video on the SeaSucker Talon. If you have any questions about the product, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email to info@rackwarehouse.com.